This video will show you how to check and update your W-APP device. Before you begin, make certain your W-APP and your mobile device is fully charged or connected to line voltage. Your Bluetooth is activated on your mobile device. Your mobile device has the most current W-APP version by visiting the Google Play Store and checking for updates. Next, open the mobile app on your device. You will see a message indicating that the app is trying to connect to your W-APP device. Push and hold the power button on the back of the W-APP hardware for approximately 1 second. You will see the Bluetooth icon on the app turn from red to blue. This will indicate you have a Bluetooth connection between the hardware and the app. You'll also notice that the Bluetooth icon on the hardware will light up indicating it's connected. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and select Update W-APP from the pop-up menu. Here you will see on-screen instructions. You will also notice near the bottom of the screen the current W-APP firmware version, and below it you will see the installed firmware version. These need to be identical. If your installed firmware does not match the current version, you need to place your W-APP firmware into bootloader mode by holding the power button until the group LEDs flash alternately between odd and even numbers. Then wait about 10 to 15 seconds and you will see the update button in the bottom left-hand corner go from a grayed out status to highlighted. Tap the update button to begin the firmware update process. The group buttons will begin to flash rapidly, indicating that the W-APP hardware is receiving data. When it is complete, the W-APP device will shut off and you will see the Finish button appear. Tap once on the Finish button and your firmware update is complete. To verify that your W-APP has received the firmware update, turn the unit back on and tap Device Status on the home page just above the color picker on the right. You will then be taken to the Device Status page, which will show any attached devices, including the W-APP hardware, which is always highlighted. It will show the device serial number, the battery status, and the firmware version. In the unlikely event you experience a failure during the update, simply restart this process. To view this tutorial and our growing library of other tutorials, please visit our website at applabsusa.com and click on the Tutorials tab. Oh, and keep it simple.